Hey guys, welcome back to another Roblox video. Today we are playing Adopt Me. And look at all these pets that I have. I have a wolf, no cat, and I'm gonna take another one. Oh, I need the person. So let's get started. So let's see how much money I have. I'm 282. So I'm gonna buy presents and then I'm gonna buy presents and then give them away to people. No, I'm gonna open them. I could buy as many as I have. And then I'm going to buy presents. Okay, go to the presents. This kid's showing me over. Okay, $70. Okay, so I got a bottle rattle. Let's see how many gifts I got. I need 2. Okay. Oh, ice cream rattle. Now let's open this one. I got a rat toy. Okay. Come on, let's go. Let's try all the new toys that I got. Okay. Toys. Okay. Oh, my pet's getting them. That's cute. They're so cute. That's my pet right there. Okay. And then now we're gonna try the ice cream rattle. Shake. And then we're gonna try the rattle. Okay. Shake. Oh, I fell in the water. Okay. Shake. And then now we're gonna try the chicken. Shake. Okay. I'm gonna use my propeller. Meow. I'm gonna go as high as I can. Guys, I'm gonna make a video when I get Robux. I'm gonna make a video with my sister, and then we are gonna go everywhere and get almost all my Robux. Okay, so I have a unicorn, a beaver, another beaver, a rat, rhino, swan, 2 more swans. I got a chocolate labradoodle. I have a duck, and then a puma, another puma, a duck, and a snow cat, and then wolf, neon wolf, a cat, a dog, and Robin's about to make to a neon. So that's gonna close out this video. Hit the like button, turn on notifications, and give this a huge thumbs up so you won't miss any other Roblox videos. Bye.